At MOPC Network, we believe staying connected should be simple, especially for our seniors. That's why we're proud to introduce the Senior Valet Service, a one-of-a-kind program created just for you. Enjoy priority restoration, in-home setup help, year-round support, simplified billing and additional payment options, and 24/7 human assistance, never a machine. We'll even send a technician to your home if the issues can't be fixed over the phone. And the best part? It's all included at no additional cost. Because at MOPC Network, we're building more than a network. We're building a community. MOPC Network, built by us, for us. Visit mopcnetwork.ca or call 1-833-727-2256 today.